Did you know that there's a fast way to search for gen ed courses without looking them up one at a time? Well, there is, and today in this Now You Know tutorial, I'm going to show you how. So for this video, I'm going to assume that you already know how to access and read your DARS report, and you know what gen ed categories you need to take. If that's not the case, please take a minute and check out the video on that topic, and then come on back. So to begin, let's go into eServices by starting at the main Winona State page and clicking on Resources at the top of the page, and then eServices. Now this gets you to the course search screen. Some students spend a lot of time searching for gen ed classes one at a time based on what they see listed for each goal area in their DARS report. But there is an easier way. Simply click the option to expand collapse for advanced search, and then scroll down and go to the drop-down listed for general liberal education. From here you can select a goal area to see all the classes available for the current semester that meet that specific goal. Let's click on Goal 5, History, Social, and the Behavioral Sciences. Now scroll down and click on Search. Now you have the full list of classes all on one screen without having to look them up one at a time. For a long list, you might have to go to a second page. Now don't forget to discuss the classes you picked with your advisor. Some goals have specific requirements that need to be met, and your advisor can double check those. For example, with Goal 5, before you graduate, you need to have 3 different classes covering at least 2 different subject areas. So you can't take 3 history classes, but you could take 2 history and 1 psychology, for example. And that is the fast way to search for gen ed classes. And now you know.